Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install the Facebook Messenger app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type store. Opens up Microsoft Store guys. Click on open it. You just need to search for Messenger. Messenger. Press enter. Now at first here is the Messenger, Facebook Messenger guys. Click on it. The Facebook new owner is Meta. Click on get option and install it guys. Now click on open it. After opening it, welcome to Messenger, the simple way to text, call and video chat right from your desktop. Click on this login with Facebook or login with phone or email. Login it guys, and after that you can message your friends or families. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.